Hello, this is NathanAhn, and today we'll be going over the circled problems here today. So our first question is 1 week equals blank hours. So there are 7 days in 1 week and 24 hours in a day. So we'll be doing 24 times 7. So 4 times 7, 28. Carry over the 2. 2 times 7, 14. Plus 2 is 16. So our answer is 168. For number 2, 1 century equals blank years. So there are 10 decades in 1 century and 10 years in 1 decade. So we just need to multiply 10 years by 10 decades, which is 100 years. So we have, for number 4, 5 days equals blank minutes. So there are 7 days in a week, but because there's 24 hours in a day, 60 minutes per hour, we're going to first multiply 60 by 24. So 0 times 4, 0. 6 times 4, 24. 0 times 2, 0. 6 times 2, 12. So our answer is 1,440. Well, not our answer, but now we need to multiply 1,440 by 5 days. So 0 times 5, 0. 4 times 5, 20. Carry over to 2, so 4 times 5, 20 plus 2 is 22. Carry over that 2 again, so 1 times 5 plus 2 is 7. 7,200 minutes. And for 6, 1 decade equals blank months. So there are 10 years in 1 decade and 12 months in a year. So we're going to multiply 12 months by 10 years, which we get 120 months. So for using the data table here, we have a movie schedule of all of these different movies. For first question, what movie is longer, Barbie or Morbius? So if you look at Barbie and Morbius, Morbius is 10 minutes longer, so Morbius would be the answer. For number 2, which movies you'll be able to watch? If you look at Barbie and Oppenheimer, they start at different times. For the first time they run and the second time they come out, they start at the same time, so you wouldn't be able to watch it. For B, Barbie and McFarlane, same thing. They start at different times, so you can't watch them. C, Typical Me and Morbius, they start at the same time for the first time. And then the Typical Me starts 10 minutes earlier, so that wouldn't work. But D is the answer, because if you look at Oppenheimer, if you watch the first one, then you'll be able to watch the second one, because after Oppenheimer ends, you still have 20 minutes to be able to watch the McFarlane USA. For number 3, which movies are same lengths? That would be Morbius and McFarlane. Now for word problems, our first question is, a plane was scheduled for 5:30 p.m. Unfortunately, it was delayed 2 hours and 45 minutes. What is the new time the plane is scheduled for? So first we're going to add 2 hours to the 5:30 p.m., which is 7:30 p.m. And then we're going to add 45 minutes to 7:30. So if we add 30 first, then it'll become 8. Add the remaining 15 minutes, so it would become 8:15. So our answer would be 8:15 p.m. that the new plane is scheduled for. For number 2, Anna left to go to school at 7:55 a.m. Bob went to buy groceries at the same time. If Anna comes back after 6 hours and 30 minutes and Bob's trip takes 45 minutes less than Anna's. What time does Bob come back? So both Anna and Bob leave at 7:55 p.m. But let's first find Anna's. So Anna comes back home after 6 hours and 30 minutes. If we add the 6 hours first, we would have 1:55 p.m. And then if you add the 30 minutes, you would get 2:25 p.m. But Bob's trip, it takes 45 minutes less than 2:25. So you would need to subtract 45 for 2:25. So you would get 1 hour and 40 minutes. So the answer would be Bob comes back at 1:40 p.m. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.